Hello, Victor Echo 2 Zulu Delta X-Ray. I'm recording this this quick review, just to answer some of the questions that I had when I was watching reviews of this pedal, and I couldn't find on YouTube or any other place explaining exactly what I'm going to explain. Just quickly, it's 10 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 5 centimeters high. It weighs 1.5 kilos. This is the distance to the top of the till it touches the surface that you're using. You see, it's more or less 1 centimeter for you to have an idea of the size, right? All right, and it grips very well to the surface you're using because of how these rubbers are placed. They're not only the feet, and it grips very well. So let me explain you exactly. So the reason I chose this model is the spacing. You can get a good spacing. You see, you can change the gap between the pedals here, right? But this I find to be very good for me. This is spacing. If you want a reference of what this space is, there you go. And also, you see that the pedals, they're not flat. They have this small curve here, right? Which for some people might make the pedal not ideal. For some it may be awesome. I'm in the group of awesome people who find this awesome. I'm going to explain why some people might not like it. So when you're keying, depend on the strength that you're hitting the pedals, right? I'm going to exaggerate the movement here, but it feels that your finger is being pushed inwards. So this might bother some people, right? And then I don't know, if you do like flat, you might feel that you're touching only the surface. Yeah, so for a key at this price, you want to be perfect, right? So if you're doing like this, you see that right? For my case, I do like a claw and touching in diagonal rear here, right? Or this, so it feels good for me. So the way I normally do, right, is so it feels very good. I guess it would this is a very good way to use this as well. It feels very comfortable. Right? Yep. The key is awesome. The key is beautiful. The precision of everything is great. Yeah. Let me see what else. Yeah, I decided to invest into this because I was wanting like a bigger key for myself, right? So now I have a place to go where I don't have to be carrying a backpack for some kilometers. Yeah, so now I can have this. It makes sense to have it. I can enjoy it. And also I want to improve my sanding. I like to participate in some contests. Weekends is complicated to me to be in the contests, and I like to send everything manually. I don't like to send on the PC via the PC, right? I even had November 1 mic set to send, but I prefer to just send by hand. But when you're exchanging numbers or whatever you're exchanging on a contest, when you're doing this at 35 words per minute, it's kind of hard. Yeah, 35 is not my comfort speed. I want to get there to feel more comfortable. 27 words per minute is my comfort speed, and I want to increase. And And another thing that I want to do better with this is try to actually squeeze, not only do right. This is the ideal way of sending CQ, but I want to squeeze the ORs, the K, and everything that I can use the iambic properly to send better and faster. The faster is the more important, right? I don't want to do, right? You send CQ right, perfect. Then you're going to send OR, K. Now I want to send everything right, and hopefully this will help me achieve better speeds and correct my my miskeying. I've been miskeying too often. Yeah, I have other reasons to be miskeying, like sometimes I'm sending CW and I have a cloud of mosquitoes flying over me or people asking me stuff, so it's not always my fault, but I feel that I could improve much more. But that's it. Thank you very much, 73.